Tesla leads China electric vehicle sales in July by model and by brand as Giga Shanghai's Phase 2 nears completion and is expected to finish in 2 or 3 months. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please look around our channel and like this video, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla or electric vehicle story. On August 10th, 2020, today, Tesla Model 3 from Giga Shanghai became #1 production new electric vehicle in the month of July 2020 in China. Data was provided by GGII. That means Tesla leads in July EV sales in China by model and by brand. Here are some numbers by model and some numbers by brand. Tesla Model 3 in July in China sold 12,571 units. SGMW Hongguang MINI EV sold 3,997 units. SGMW Baojun E200 sold 2,874 units. Briliance-BMW BMW 530 sold 2,160 units. As you can see, Tesla Model 3 is above 10,000 at 12,571 units, and the rest is in the range of 530 to close to 4,000 units. By brand, Tesla sold 12,571 units. As you know, Tesla only sells, only has one model production. That's why by model and by brand, Tesla has the same number, 12,571 units in July in China, made in China. By brand, SGMW sold 12,445 units. Almost like Tesla, but less than, about 120 units less than Tesla. And BYW sold 10,406 units in July. At the same time, Chinese media estimates Tesla sales in the first half of 2020 made more than 19% of the total purchases subsidies in China. In the meantime, Tesla Giga Shanghai's Phase 2 construction can be completed in 3 to 4 months or sooner, reports Eva Fox from the Tesmanian.com. Construction of Phase 2 in Giga Shanghai continues at a rapid pace, as you can see from this video that is provided by our friend Wuva. The exterior work is almost complete and the equipment installation is underway. Hinting that the facility will soon be operational in a few months, we will see made in China Model Y rolling out of the assembly lines. There is also a new video by our another friend Jason Young and from YouTube that demonstrates the colossal work done by the builders, and the result of their work is just amazing. You can see Jason Young's videos link in the description of this video. The main buildings in Giga Shanghai are almost complete. Phase 2A, also known as Tesla Giga Shanghai's Model Y production building, appears to be totally finished. Of course, some work is still pending completion, but in just 5 months, the empty territory turned into a complex of almost entirely completed buildings. Despite the fact that Phase 2A is several times larger than Phase 1, its construction is proceeding at a faster pace. Tesla China is making excellent use of its Phase 1 existence. At the moment, internal construction work is underway. The main focus is on equipment installation, as the production of Model Y, Tesla Model Y electric crossover, is due to begin in just a few months. There are many containers of equipment around the building. Giga Shanghai ordered machinery from Miracle Automation for Phase 2. Earlier, Miracle Automation supplied RBM about 420 million Chinese yuan worth of conveyors to Giga Shanghai's Model 3 production plant for the assembly line and paint shop. The Model Y building will also have Tesla's bespoke OL6100CS GigaPress machines from IDRA Group. First photos of the gargantuan piece of machinery as well as robots for the upcoming Model Y production line was included in the electric car maker's recently released Q2 2020 update letter. The image provided by Tesla proves that the company is indeed hard at work outfitting the newly constructed building for Model Y production. The facility's casting machine in particular is very impressive, commanding a massive space on the factory floor. Tesla did not provide much context about the image, but it appears that the Model Y casting machine is all but set up. Overall, the images from Giga Shanghai suggest that Model Y production, or at least a trial run for the all-electric crossover, could begin sometimes later this year. This should allow the company to refine its operation in the Phase 2A area to such a degree that the facility would be able to support a full production ramp by the first quarter of 2021. What do you think, friends? When do you think Tesla will be able to roll off the Model Y electric crossover from the Shanghai's Gigafactory's Phase 2 assembly line? In 3-4 months, that would be November or December, or do you think by the end of this year we will have first Model Y coming out of the Shanghai Gigafactory's assembly line? Let me know what you think in the comment section. In the meantime, please continue watching Vuva's video flyover of Tesla Giga Shanghai. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel to get more Tesla news. Like this video to show your appreciation of our friends who have provided these stories that you can find references in the description of this video. And please ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla or electric vehicle story. God bless you, take good care of each other, and see you soon.